Yo, what's up, y'all? Whoa, it's daytime, I said. Day. Guess what I got today? So I got me my favorite silver ice, and it's amazing. Except I have too many energy drinks. The best way to get energy is going like this. That last video I was recording had my cat in it, and I recorded it, but it was not. It got canceled again. Another video that I made earlier. I was burping, getting slow into burping. Usually I'm warmed up by one video. Okay? So if you ever want me to post that, then I will. But I'm not gonna. I gotta delete videos and make space on my computer. So don't be a duty pants. Okay, anyway. What are you going to say? Beer Zero Energy. It's not zero energy. You have plenty of energy. It's not zero energy. Pure zero. Are you saying I'm not full of energy now? Huh? I don't think that's what they meant. I meant by the calories. And zero sugar, dude. So get it in your head that you're going to be dead if you drink 20 of these. Yeah, it'd be deadly and would need you to never drink again. I don't know why I'm rapping again. But I'll crap on your friend. With the raps here again. Yeah, I'm rapping within. Yeah, like a sandwich it is. You that's being wrapped within a black bag. You don't give a dang. And oh man, and I don't give a crap. I got a headache, man. Well, let's keep going. I'm sorry, but I think my mustache is very long and needs trimmed, yes. Don't you think? Yes. I don't know what I said right there. Is it Dow or is it Dow? What the heck does that mean? The Dow, man. The Dow. That's what it means. The Dow. You gotta be in the flow. Gotta keep going. Off of the top of the dome. Yeah, I do it with the golden flowing. Yeah. You got the frozen H2O in. I'm Sub-Zero in. I don't know. I'm a hero. You are colder than Sub-Zero. Ice cream? Anybody? No. I'm mean. And I don't care about your ice cream or your ice cream or your eyes as you scream. They're widening. I don't know what I will say when you come out of telling me that I cannot come off of the top of the brain. Up and up in the place up, yeah. Dropping your face, punk. Into the cement. Yeah, you get the dent. Anyway, don't vape. It's not good. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I almost just dumped that on my face, dude. That was close. Who messaged me? Someone messaged me. Not anyway. Do not tell me, oh, it's thug life. That's what. Okay, I don't care about that.
It tastes like Taco Bell. And I got a smell like Papadel. I got a swell along the bells of green, yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Oh, man, that's really gold. Yeah, really gold. Yeah. Hey, Robert, it's really gold. Yeah. My friends are not watching. None of my friends are watching. Hey, Bryce, what's up? Hey, what's up? Man, I feel the gas. Phosphoric acid. You're drinking that shiz? Man, that's the business that puts this in it. Did you know it is not what you want to be doing alcohol with it? Mixing it at all and shiz, Sprite and all that. It has all that crap in it. High fructose syrup is the baddest. It really is. It has mercury in it, and you're poisoning yourself. And you're getting fatter by seriously, it turns into fat cells, man. I hate to say it, man, but you better stop eating that crap or drinking that crap, because it really is crap, dude. Sugar is not good for you. It really isn't. You're trying to gain weight by eating a bunch of sugar, you're going to get a headache. You're going to get all kinds of bad things happening to your body. It does not live off sugar. It cannot live off sugar. It's obvious. Do not eat sugar unless you plan to brush your teeth right after. I can't tell you, man. Why? Why?
Why must I move? Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. My stomach, man. Oh. Okay, I'll be fine. It's all the air sucking.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that tastes like Taco Bell. And the taco smell is in the air now. Well, oh man, going to make you throw you down wells. Cause my name, you better get your towel, cause it's that wet down there. And my name is Spencer Howell, and you better get your vowels straight. A-E-I-O-U. Now, your face is gonna be punched. Yeah, buddy boy, I like to box. That did not rhyme. I know. It sounded like it. Slant rhyme. I do slant rhymes all the time. I don't care about your slant rhymes. Sleight of hand. I don't care about your stupid abusive hand. Abusive. Stop being that way, and I won't have to scare you like this. Live right, or it will not be a good outcome because of the the crap that you have to take. Half is pain.
And man, it ain't.
And then it ain't. And wow.
Am I right? Yeah. ABC. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. Element of B. Q. R. S. T. F. E. W. X. Y. And Z.
All right. Well, just so you know what big. I love rapping. I really do. But I'm not that good yet, so stay tuned.
As soon as I do. As soon as I do, I will do it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, as soon as I can, I will do it. Just so you know. Well, I don't know what happened to that burp, but it really, 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 really made a balloon in my tummy. Dang it. It's trying to beat my record on that last one with the club soda I was drinking. Drank all that. It's like, oh man. I will have another club soda version next time.
This is Dre. Yeah.
I have not had my beauty sleep. As you can see, my eyes are black. I don't know what I'm saying. Whore, okay? Get out of here. Just kidding. Oh. Ho. Ho, 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 ho. Shut up. Ho, ho, ho. Pun intended with the ho. In the yard. Yo. Oh. Shut up. Just stop. Seriously, I'll stop. I'll never say that again. Oh man. Oh, I think I gotta save your balance. Save up your balance. We've got all your favorite things. I don't care what you gotta say there. I hate being on the media, man. Being on social media. Anyway, I don't give a dang what anyone say. Okay? So get out of my face! And I'm going up at the top of the brain! Whoa, that was chunky.
Yeah. I mean a world record. Yeah. What's happening to me?
Hey! Stop it, cat! God. Hey! Stop! He's trying to get behind the oven. Oreo is.
So stop doing that. Did you see that? Yeah, you did. Oh.
Can you spit that? Spit the flames, man. The saliva. Yeah, you get it at all now.
Spitting that saliva. Yeah.
Whoa, that was actually like pretty long. I'm gonna try again. Oh, really? Man, that was weak. It got stuck. Ah! Well, one thing I gotta say is that it's easy to do now. I'll tell you, every time I do this, it gets easier and it gets crazier. It feels good, but I gotta have breaks to heal up from the damage I've done.
It's like a workout. Yeah.
It's like a workout. Translation. Did you know this? There is a science behind rubbing your eyes. It really does make you relax. No, it doesn't.
I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Woo! Full of energy. I can't get back to sleep. Synergy.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, that one got stuck. Oh. Woo! Hey! Yeah, this is a smile to get all the girls. Sorry. Someone told me that this is how you're supposed to smile. Smile. Hey. It's good. Yeah. You're supposed to not smile like this. Can't smile like that. Stop scaring the girls away, man. The women, man. Yeah, don't do that, little kids. It will scare them off. Trust me. If you're scared, think how scared they are. You think you're scared? They're scared. Anyway. You got COVID? You're coughing! Shut up, dude. Gotta wear 2 masks. It's more effective. Shut up, dude. Fauci. Smack your face, dude. Just, some people can't even breathe with that mask on, dude. So don't even try to get them to wear 2 masks. Are you kidding me? Shut up, dude. It's not more effective. I might as well wear a thicker mask. How about that, dude? Not 2 masks. Look like a freaking scared idiot. I know it's scary that this virus is killing people, but come on now. Our immune systems are much stronger than they should be if you've been eating right. Taking that vitamin D, you know what I mean? Anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, that is not how you smile to your girlfriend, man. That's how you scare her off. So, oh well. Oh, I don't care, man. I'm here to entertain. And if you don't like my brain, then you can get down to fit insane. Because you are insane, right? You are insane. You're sane, I'm saying. Okay? I don't know what that was. It sounded like a wheezing pterodactyl, dude. Shut up, dude. Spit a loogie, dude. I did. And made me look lit. Made me look lit. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go. It's 20 minutes long, dude. Why would you want to watch this, dude? Because I burp too much? Because I burp more than anybody else on the internet? Interneters? Interneters. That's what I'm gonna call y'all. Interneters. Yep. So, don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. You'll get more videos.
Yeah!
I'm going to be releasing my website here soon. And y'all can check it out. I'll have more videos on there to download or whatever view that won't be shown on YouTube. You'll find other cutscenes and all that on my website. I'm going to have all kinds of things on my website. So you guys can look there for updates, anything, any projects being done. And you can check out the community forum, talk on there, post, whatnot. It'll be up soon. I'll let you guys know. Link in the description in the future. So listen. All right. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Y'all have a good day. And look like this all the time. You got to look like this when you're with your girlfriend. You got to look like this.
Yeah, how are you today? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey.
It's my mating call. That is my mating call. Get over it.
Just kidding. Not.
Almost drew on my computer again. Man, I'm getting pissed at myself. No, and I don't mean that literally, but I do need to go now to go the nature of this gardening. So I must go.
Yeah.
So I must go. Nature is gardening. So do not tell me that I must not to go, because if I do not go, then I will be in trouble with you, because you would be the one being with the beer bottles. The beer bottles would be filled. If we were in the car, you would not be able to go off the road, because there is no way you can go off the road, because the cop would talk to you and you will be talked to, and then he would drink the beer and then he would be telling you to get out, because it is actually not what he wanted. To get my movie reference? No, you don't. Anyway. Woo! Oh, don't know what talking about. Dumb and Dumber. Okay, anyway. I was talking about you, dude. Yeah, you're Dumb and Dumber. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna, because video's way too long. I burped throughout this, but anyway, I'm gonna have more dialogue, more planned out videos instead of all these off of the top of the dome. Okay? I'm just gonna keep going with the flow, mopping the flow. Yeah, what are you wanting to know about Spencer Howell, who's throwing you down wells because you wanted to make a wish? Oops, I made a wish, throwing you down wells. You're a beep. Anyway, I gotta go. Okay, I'm lit. Just like this light, call me. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell down there, okay? And there's going to be way more videos. I'm going to have a better computer, better camera, better everything, better editing quality, better and more energy fill and content filled with rich, immense creativity. Yes, it will. Don't be livid, please. because you haven't been living with ease, and you are a freaking cheesy man, and you will live with the pizzas at fat, and I don't really give a crap if you leave it, man, but if you gotta eat it, man, why would you leave it on the pan? I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, talk to you later. Peace.